Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, that long. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned. DIY number 1, and we're gonna make a beautiful Hello Summer sign, and you can find these wooden letters at Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use this beautiful Waverly chalk paint in Ocean. I'm gonna paint it completely just like that, going all around it, and when we finish, we're gonna let it dry completely so we can start painting the summer letters. And these ones are from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use gunmetal color paint. I'm gonna paint the front of those letters and I'm gonna paint the sides of it. I'm just gonna paint it completely like this, and then I'm gonna let them dry after I have painted all of my letters. Let me just finish with this one, paint the other ones, and let them dry. Now we're gonna take a canvas that you can find at Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna remove the plastic like this. And then, after I remove the plastic and the paper, we're gonna start assembling our sign. For that, I'm just gonna place my summer letters over here, like this. Then I'm gonna take the hello and I'm gonna place it like that. I'm gonna use my hot glue gun and I'm just gonna apply my hot glue like this. Then I'm just gonna glue this over here. And then I'm gonna start with the summer letters. Let me just go all around them and add them to my sign. Remove all the glue strings and you will have a beautiful Hello Summer sign. And here you can see it. And this one is one of my favorites, but I want to know what you think. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below. DIY number 2, and for this one we're going to make a beautiful tray, and I'm going to use this beautiful decal from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use a wood round. You can find them at Dollar Tree as well, but I got this ones at Amazon. I'm just going to place this decal on top of my wood circle or wood round, and then using my X-Acto knife, I'm just gonna cut all the excess. As you can see, it's not as easy as you might think because this decal is really good. So I'm just gonna take my time and cut it like that. Then I'm gonna remove all the excess and we will have a beautiful covered circle or wood round. And what I'm gonna do after I have that is I'm gonna take this beautiful metal thingy from Dollar Tree, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece of this to the size of my wood round. Let me just measure it like this, and I'm just gonna go all around it like that. Then I'm just gonna take my thingies to cut metal and I'm just gonna cut it like this. After I have cut this one, I'm going to use my hot glue gun, but you can use any stronger glue that you prefer. So I'm just going to grab my hot glue gun and I'm going to apply some of that glue over here. Then I'm just going to go all around it, adding glue and gluing the metal to the wood round. Let me just go all around it like this so you can see it. And I'm just going to finish this by adding that beautiful metal all around it. When we finish with this, you can keep it like it is. And look at that. It's so cute. But you know me, I'm extra. So I'm going to add some feet. And I'm going to use these ones that I got from Walmart. But you can get some of these from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to glue them like this. And I decided to add 3 of them. So now we have it. And we're going to start painting it. And I'm going to use Ocean by Waverly to paint it completely. We're going to give it a good coat on the bottom, the top, the sides, the beads, everything. We're going to cover everything with this beautiful ocean color. Let me just go ahead and paint it completely like this. Now I'm going to paint the top part so you can see it. And in the top part, I had to use like 2 coats and a half just to make sure that I have covered everything. Let me just go ahead and paint it like this. And when it is ready and painted, we're going to let it dry. And then we're going to bring this beautiful white color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a good heavy dry brush. You can make it lighter like I'm showing you over here. But you can go and give it a good dry brush as I did. I decided to go heavy-handed because, yeah, I loved it. But you can do it a little bit lighter if you prefer. Let me just cover this completely so we can move on to painting or giving it a dry brush to the feet and also to the top part of our tray. Let me finish with this, and you can see that I'm doing the same to the little feet. Now I'm going to take the top part and I'm going to start doing a dry brush on the top. Here I just messed up a little bit, so I have to go back and paint it. But you can see that every detail is popping with that beautiful dry brush effect. Let me just finish with this so you can see how it looks. And I'm going to keep on doing that until I have finished. As you can see, I left the bottom part, but this is looking so beautiful. And look at that. I just love it. Let me know what you think about this one because, yeah, I'm biased and it is so beautiful. I just love it. I'm going to make a couple of them. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. In the description box down below, you're gonna find the links to all of my social media so you can go and check me out over there. DIY number 3, and for this one we're gonna make a beautiful wreath, and I'm gonna use this beautiful wreath that I got from Temu. And it's a rope wreath, and I'm going to use that beautiful ribbon that I got from Walmart and this thingy that I got from Walmart, but I'm pretty sure you can find the ribbon and this anchor, I think that's the name for that, on Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use gunmetal to paint that one. Now I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to start making a bow. And I'm going to add my anchor to the side like that. Let me just start by making my bow. This is a hot glue gun bow. You can find my tutorial on the unprofessional way to make a professional looking bow in the cards above. Let me just finish with this one and let me tie it really well using a piece of twine over here so I can just tie it really well. And I'm gonna leave some legs to the back of the bow so I can tie it to my wreath. Let me just give it a good tie. And now I'm going to tie it over here like that. Then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to take my tails and I'm going to dovetail them like this. Then I'm going to take the anchor and I'm going to take another piece of twine and I'm just going to tie it over here because I want to reuse this wreath. I just love it and it is so cute. So I'm just going to tie it over here, cut the excess, and that's it. Super cute. And here you can see it, and I'm so in love with this one. It's so cute. But I want to know what you think because it's cute, it's affordable, and it is so easy to make. DIY number 4. And we're gonna make some luggage or a suitcase. And I'm using an old cigar box that I had, and it is painted brown. But I just want to paint it in white. So I'm going to take white paint and I'm going to paint it completely. You will see that I gave it a good dry brush over here, but then I decided that I wanted to cover it completely. So do as I say, not as I did. So I'm just going to cover it completely. Ignore the part that I'm doing the dry brush here and go ahead and paint it well. Because this DIY was giving me a headache. Now I'm going to take some of this canning that I got from Amazon. And I'm just going to use my blue ocean paint. And I'm going to paint them completely like this. Then I'm just going to let them dry completely so we can start working with them. Let me just paint them like that. Then I'm going to take these beautiful decals that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to paint them in the same beautiful ocean color. I'm going to paint them completely and I'm just going to use some of them and you will see the ones that I used because they will be blue. So I'm just going to paint them like that on the paper and I'm just going to cover them really well. And then when I finish with this, I'm going to let this ones dry for at least 12 hours just to make sure that the paint dries because this is plastic. So I'm going to take now my luggage or suitcase and I'm just gonna start adding the blue canning over here, and for that I'm just gonna measure and cut like that. Then I'm gonna add some hot glue and I'm gonna glue it like this. After that I'm gonna repeat the same on the other side just like that, and I'm just gonna cut it, add some hot glue, glue it like this, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Let me just grab my stickers first so you can see how we're gonna place them. And I'm just gonna add this ones on the back part like that, and I'm gonna add the other one over here. And after those I'm just gonna add the corner ones, these ones, And I'm going to add one of those on each corner. Let me just add them like that. And then when I finish with that, we're going to flip it over. So let me just finish with my beautiful decals. And we can flip it over. And we're going to start just measuring with our canning and cutting so we can open our cigar box. Let me just open it, and then I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue over here. Glue it like that. Then I'm going to glue the other part. Let me just measure and cut and add some hot glue and glue it. Then I'm going to repeat that to the other side. But first, let me show you the decal that I added. And now I'm going to add this one here, but I decided to add it to the top a little bit later. Yes, this one was so hard on me. Now I'm just making the handle like this, and I'm just gonna glue it over here with a little bit of hot glue. You can use any glue you like, but I wanted to use hot glue for the sake of the video. So I'm just gonna add more hot glue over here, glue it really well. Then we can move on to dry brushing our blue parts. This is where I'm not sure if I did a good job. But I'm just gonna make a good dry brush, give it a good dry brush all around it like that, just making sure that those raised stickers show really well. And I'm just gonna go all around it like this. After I finish with that, I'm gonna do the same with the other decals on the sides and everything that it is blue on my suitcase or luggage. And here you can see it. And this one, I'm not too sure about it, but I want to know what you think. So go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you think about this one, because yeah, I don't know if I like it. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below, and you will get a shout out in my channel. Now it's time for the final reveal, and here you can see all of them together once more, and I'm obsessed with most of them. But I think I just needed to add that suitcase / luggage for you to see, so you can give me your opinion, because yeah, I don't know if I like it. But here you can see all of them together, and these ones, yeah, these ones are my favorites. They are so cute and so easy to make. I just love them. Here you can see the luggage / suitcase. I don't know how I feel about that one, so let me know your thoughts on this one. And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Let me know what you think about them in the comments below. Remember to share this video with a friend, because that's a free way to help this girl out. It lets YouTube know that you like this type of content, and it will recommend it to other beauties like yourself. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.